In this video, we'll show you how to stop those fake McAfee pop-ups and alerts in Google Chrome. Click on this three dot icon at the top and then scroll down and then select settings. Now here go to this privacy and security tab right here. Now scroll down and then click on site settings. In this menu, scroll down and then click on notifications. Now here go to this allowed to send notifications section and then see the websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you see any website that you don't recognize, simply click on this three dot icon and then select block. So this could be the website that's showing you the fake McAfee pop-ups. So make sure to do this. Now go back to the previous menu and then scroll down and click on pop-ups and redirects. Now here do the same. If you see any website that is allowed to send pop-ups and redirects, simply block it from here. Once you have done this, click this three dot icon again, go to extensions and then click on manage extensions. Now here go through all of your extensions and remove the ones that you don't need. So this will help you get rid of any extension that may be showing you those fake McAfee or virus pop-ups. So make sure to remove them. Once you have done this, your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.